Good evening, SUDHIR.
Good evening, Anindya ji. How are you?
I'm amazing, Sarji. You are sitting on that against that old background.
Yes, yes.
So
You
this is,
remember that?
sir. I remember everything. You are there in my heart. So
Oh,
what I'm
it's
trying,
my pleasure, sir.
yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you. I think this was something which I had seen, and I will never forget this. So today being Thursday, and Sudhirji, do you go to temple also?
No, no.
There is a tika on your
Just
forehead.
my mom come and just his
Okay.
blessing, her blessing. Sorry.
Ah, ah, ah. Nothing, nothing can match that in this world. Okay, mom's blessings. Yeah, I can understand. So how have you been, sir? And how is your work going on? And how is everything around you?
Yeah, right now everything is surrounding very good, fantastic. Work
Fantastic.
was going very good.
Okay, work is also going very good.
Work is also very going good.
Anything you would like to say about quickly, a quick word about today's market?
Yes, today's markets it's totally depend of the election poll. The the investor they are very happy to the BJP come in four state, so that's why they joining the celebration, and
Okay,
they are just predicts they are going to just predict the stable government. That's why the market again bounce back.
okay, okay. So then, imagine one of the top producers in from Mumbai. You know, you realized after some time that he happens to be your classmate, but all these years you never knew only that he was your classmate. And it happened so that he came to Ahmedabad for a shoot, and coincidentally you had a business meeting in that hotel, and you coincidentally bump into each other, and rest you know how when friends meet and all those things. And then you realize that he is one of the top producers of Mumbai, which you never know, which you never knew. So if you ever had to create a movie,
No, no, because recently you told me, so definitely I will think, but right now you can ask me, so definitely I don't have any. I'm not interested in this topic. If you are
okay,
going to, if you are go, if maybe it depends of my friend, if he's production rather than producer, maybe he's a one of the company chairman or MD, and he is going to sharing their equity. So definitely, I'm very happy for that also.
but I'm not going to create any movie. That's what.
Yes, of course, because the movie for me it is expense.
No, so no, I'll give you an alternative thought. Okay, so you are not spending any expenses. You are not making any expenses.
No,
Somebody
no, no,
else.
no, no, no. Just sorry for interrupt you, but the investing that means not only just for money. It's all time also. It's our mind also, right?
Right.
Mentally. So if I am going to mentally prepare for that also, so definitely I will. I have to skip my another task like my market. So I can't do that.
No, no. Hypothetically, I am saying, Sudhiji, hypothetically, if you ever had to create a movie, what would that be? Okay,
Definitely, I will ask in. I will check with my circle of competence, and whosoever is interested. So definitely, I will refer that person.
okay. Now tell me something. That if you are not creating this movie, but you have this idea very strong in your mind,
So
that
definitely, I will share with the producer. and director also.
Yeah. So
So
that's what my question is, sir. Has there been any thought about any character, any storyline? Because you are somebody who is also very inclined to Indian defense and all those kind. Have you ever wanted to make about any real life hero or a soldier or that sort, which you wanted to share with the whole world?
yes, of course, there are the lots of the soldier in our country. Our country in every day, in every day they are creating the lots of the powerful men. The I can say in the words of कि ये मिट्टी सोना की सोने के साथ साथ शेर भी उगलती है. I don't know word in English, so that's why I tell in Hindi. Sorry for the inconvenience.
I'm just trying to think what you have said actually. So, I mean, you wanted to say something, sir, about the soldier or about the country?
About the soldier also, what is the country? The country is the creating means the country is of entire whole the people. The whole the people are bunch. It's called country in the my philosophy. If the people is good,
So, what did you say, sir? Whole? You mean? Did you mean the whole?
whole
Okay,
country.
WHOLE, right?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay.
So the
Sir, please
people
continue. Sorry.
if the people are very good, so definitely country is very good and the keeping in very. If the people they are not good and they don't love their country, so definitely in future the country future is maybe very critical. For the I will just explain in one little example. If a family, you can understand as a family, if a family in 6-person family, and the guardian means the family owner or the every person in every member, they are not caring each of them, or they are not caring, they are not loving their father, their mother, their friend circle, sorry, not friend circle, their brother and sister. They are just searching love outside the home. So it will very difficult for entire family to bonding them.
It will be
So
very difficult for the entire family to bond with each other.
bond with each other because the country, it is applicable for country also. For
Yeah,
country, it is for a large scale, but
yeah.
this channel is definitely follow that. I can say we are as a Bharat, as a India, we are just I can say Mala the uh,
You mean the garland?
yes, yes. So in there are small pieces.
They are called beads.
Peach,
Beads.
peach. Okay,
Beads. Beads. I'll write down.
okay. I can say in Hindi, so you can just try to elaborate in English. So
Oh, I'm so sorry. That please omit that. There has been a typo, very bad typo.
no, it's okay.
Beads of garland. So garland is what you said, mala.
Moti, Moti, okay.
Yeah, and beads are those small pieces. Beads.
Small pieces. So the small pieces, the combination, we need one dori, like dhaga.
We need a string. Yeah.
We need a strength. So I can say कि बिना धागे की वो जो मोतियों की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. जब सभी मोती एक धागे के अंदर आ जाते हैं तो दे आर वैल्यूबल. So like as a in our country just a one dhaga, right, strength, and we are also every people 130 crores people, they are just a small uh, which word you are using,
Beads. So beads.
beats. We all are the beats. So we have to understand the value of ourselves also and our country also. We can't we can't break the chain.
Sir, I understood. Sudhiji, perhaps you were saying that all the citizens of this country are like beads of a garland, right?
Yes.
It is like every bead, they come together to complete a garland or to make a garland, and that's how the citizen of our country, they can come together to build this country,
Yes, of course, right.
to
Absolutely
build,
right.
right?
Sounds is good.
Yes, thank you very much. So to build this country stronger, to make this country stronger or whatever. Okay, okay. So yeah, that was my question. That did you ever think of, even did you ever think of writing a book also? Leave aside movie. Have you ever thought of writing a book also? Or maybe writing your thoughts somewhere about life, about whatever that you see, about something that you felt needs to be put across as a message to the world. Have you ever thought about it?
Yes, of course.
Yeah. So, so what has been the thoughts? How do
Definitely,
you?
I have very good thoughts, but right now, if I can share with you, so definitely it will goes viral. Or I don't want to right now goes viral because I don't have the copyright. So
Oh, okay.
I
Today,
don't want to.
today, Sudhirji, you are very secret, in a very secretive mood.
No, no. So that's why I don't want to just.
It's
But definitely one day, once I completed my book, so definitely I will say first I will take copyright, then after I will share my copy to you. Just read and give your
sure,
feedback.
sure, 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 sure. And how do you plan to reach out to the community of the needy or the poor people, which you were discussing one day? I remember
Of course, definitely.
you have a very giant plans to do that. Would you like to share that, Sriji, or that is also a copyright issue?
No, no, there was no any copyright issue. But right now I'm this is on pipeline. Right now I'm working, but it's a very small. I can say in very small level,
You can say that it is at an very elementary level. You can say,
elementary level.
or you can say at a right now it is at a very basic level. You can say,
Yes, of course.
right, sir. Okay. So, but idea was to help the entire community, right? To help them with the basic amenities of life.
Yes, of course. Entire community means
I mean, I'm talking about the people who need it.
okay, okay. Right, of course, of course.
Yeah, that was what I remember discussing with you.
Right.
Right, sir. Right, right. Okay. So, Suriji, we have just 1 or 2 more minutes, maybe. So, what is your thought on maybe your last expert thoughts on coming back to your trade? Uh, Somebody who is not a very heavy investor, how can they go ahead and invest in stocks? Somebody who has the ability of investing only 1,000 rupees, 500 rupees, 2,000 rupees, how can they invest?
First of all, they have to understand what is their target. They are investing for their child, their marriage, their means what is the goal. First, we need to decide what is the goal and how much time I will just hold my money in the market. This is the second rule because the compounding is the eighth wonder of the world. So the compounding. The main rule is time. How much time you can consider your money in the particular segment. So if you are going to hold at least 10, 20, 10, 15, 20 years, so it's more enough to create a good wealth. And if you are short term investor, so not to worry. But if you are a very basic learner, so I think so I will prefer you can go with a mutual fund. So it will be a good option for a starting learner because the
No,
mutual
I'm not
fund.
talking about myself. I'm just talking about there are people who
Yes,
has,
of course, of course.
yeah, very
I'm
few.
I'm pointing you means that means whosoever is watching this video and a learner or maybe is the basic learner, so definitely they can
Yeah, yeah.
start
Yes.
their journey as a learning as a mutual fund. So why I'm telling the mutual fund, because the mutual fund they have the manager, they are monitoring our fund, and the supervisor is SEBI. The SEBI is supervising all them their activities. So mutual fund today's the mutual fund they give the good return compared to bank FD or whatsoever the other types of deposits. 10 to 15% in CAGR, they can also provide it. But we have to understand the mutual fund also. We need to read the carefully instruction, because this is the equity market or the market. So risk are involved. So we need to understand how much risk we can take it. We will take it, because it is a full time investing also. Because if I need the money after 6 months and I can't, and I'm not aware of what exactly happened after the 6 months, maybe the geopolitical war or maybe like this any situation, so that time market is uh, going down or maybe it's bear mood. So definitely I can't pull my money, because if I am going to pull my money, so definitely I will lose my money. If my time
Uh,
horizontal is 1 year or maybe more than 3 year 5 years, so definitely it will impact very good positive return. But short term there is no guarantee.
okay, okay, sir. I understand. I understand. Completely understand, sir. Hmm. So anyway, the idea is always to go for a long term, right?
Yes, of
That's what
course.
that's what you have been propagating. Fair enough, Sudhirji. Any questions from your side, Sudhirji?
Till that time, I don't have any question. But have you had your dinner, or is this pending? No. So I think so. You can take your dinner.
I'm already ready to log into the next call. In next
Okay.
1 minute.
So no problem. No problem. I will disconnect this call. You can complete and you may take a refresh. Okay.
No, it.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye
Bye.
bye.